Basically, your box has already been paid for with these two items, so that's crazy. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. Today's video, we are doing an unboxing of the Fab Fit Fun Winter box. Okay, if you didn't know already, Fab Fit Fun is a customizable seasonal box with full-size fashion, beauty, fitness, and home items sent straight to your door every single season. This is actually my first time ever getting this box, and what intrigued me about it is at least one item in this box is valued at the price of the box itself. So according to girl math, there's at least one item in here that I technically got for free, right? So I'm going to unbox it. We're actually gonna unbox this together, and the box for this month is actually a winter box. And the thing about this box and what I like about it is you get to pick the items that are in the box yourself. So it's not like one of those surprise boxes where you don't know what you're getting in the box. You know exactly what you're getting each box. And I actually forgot that I ordered this box, so I forgot what I picked. I know there's a few things that I picked in here, but I totally forgot what I actually picked. And oh, this is so pretty. So this is the box, and another cool thing about it is members get exclusive access to the shop and the flash sale, which is like up to 70% off top brands, which again, according to girl math, 70% off. 70% off? 70% off when this whole box has items of up to $350? Yes, count me in. The box itself costs about $59.99, I think, or $54.99. They have like different tiers, but if you use my code DIAMOND, you will get your first box for $47.99. Okay, girl. Okay, I got you. I always got you. Okay, let's get into opening this box. I am too excited because, like I said, I don't remember what I picked, and look how nice and pretty this is. I'm too excited. Okay. I'm remembering what I picked now. Okay, so the first thing, and you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. So the things in this box is valued at up to $350. So it could be at $350 or lower than $350. Each box each month is $59.99 or $54.99. But with my code, like I said, you'll get it for $47.99, I think. So this is what we go do. I'm gonna calculate everything in this box and see. We go see if it's actually worth it. And I'm actually already excited because look what's inside the box. Topicals. So you get a full size of the topicals eye patches, which I have been wanting these forever and a day. So this is valued at, how much are the topicals? $22. So that's already half of the box, and we still got more to go. So we have these topical eye patches. Then I did get the Lemmy Matcha Vitamin B12 gummies. These gummies have matcha, CoQ10, and vitamin B12 to help support your metabolism. This is full size, y'all. Like, this is the full size. I have been wanting to try these. I've been seeing them all over the place, and it's like, I wasn't gonna spend my own coin, like spending $30 on Kourtney Kardashian's gummies. Like, no, but it came in a box and it was discounted, so hey, these smell so good. They smell like matcha and something else, like matcha and something fruity. But let me try one. Let's see. Oh, that actually tastes really good. So you take 2 gummies up to 3 times daily. So take my 2 gummies. This is really good. Okay, Courtney. The Lemmy Matcha gummies, let's see, Lemmy Matcha gummies. They are $30. So $30, okay? Basically your box has already been paid for with these 2 items. So that's crazy. What else did I pick? This hand cream. So the Echo's hand cream is this hand cream that you can find actually at Sephora. Look at this, full size, y'all. Full size. Like, having a hand cream during the winter time is a must, and for someone like me with super dry skin, I need to have a hand cream with me at all times. And I told myself I was gonna start keeping hand cream in my bag, so this actually came at the perfect time. And let's go on Sephora and see. So this hand cream retails at Sephora. If you were to buy this at Sephora right now, it would be $8. So okay, got my money's worth already. All right, what else? Oh, I did get a skincare product because I love my skincare, I love my essences, and this is the 111 Skin Black Diamond Brightening Essence. So let's see. And this is the 30 milliliter, so this is the 1 ounce option. Let's see, I think, let me see if this is on Sephora. If not, I'll just put it in. Oh, okay. This is $43 for the 1 fluid ounce of this Black Diamond Essence. This is $43, y'all. Use my code and it's only $47.99. Like, this is bomb. Like, this box is bomb. So hold on, wait, I need to know, because I seen this, like, when I was picking, now I'm remembering, when I was picking, I wasn't sure because they give you so many options when you're picking what you want inside the box. So I was just like, what do I want? There were things there that I either already had or like wasn't really interested in. So I seen this Black Diamond Essence and I was just like, brightening essence, Black Diamond, like, this is speaking to me. Like, skincare, my name, brightening, I needs it. So hold on, wait, Black Diamond Essence. All right, so this is a lightweight essence and it has a formula for the skin to be brighter, more luminous, and rejuvenated over time. It supports your collagen and helps lift the skin. It has diamond peptides and copper peptides in the formula. So this is a face essence that has diamonds in it, y'all. Diamonds, okay? $43. The box cost $47. You know what? Let me just keep going. Oh, I got these cheese knives. So I am a charcuterie board girly, and I seen this cheese knife option and I was like, you know what? I don't have like pretty cheese knives. Like, I have like those wooden cheese knives from Amazon, but I was like, I need some nice cheese knives for my board. So these cheese knives are from the Macy Blackwell collection. Oh, am I getting, it's either I'm getting old or I'm just in my rich housewife era, because this just warms my soul. This just warms the pits of my soul. Look how pretty this is. Like, this box, actually, this box would make the perfect gift. If not for yourself, this holiday season, you need to gift someone this box, okay? And you can cancel at any time. Just at least get one box. One winter box for someone. Like, pick the things that she will love and she will love you forever if you get this box. Like, I am too excited. And this is the last item in the box. This is a splendid robe, and I am a robe girly, okay? So let's see. Oh, I didn't say the price of the cheese knives. The cheese knives, let's go ahead and Google them. Cheese knife, Mary Blackwell cheese knives. Okay, so these cheese knives are at Williams Samoa, that's how you say it. And they are $40. Okay, $40 for the cheese knives. So, you know, Fab Fit Fun, you did your thing. You doing your thing. So I am a robe girly, and when I saw this knit splendid robe on here, I was just like, oh, I have to get it. And the price is on here. It is retailed at $64. $64. I cannot wait to wear this. It has the most cozy, oh, I love the way this feels. It has the most soft, cozy feel, and I live in Florida. It is already cold here. Like, how is it already cold here? But this feels so soft, so cozy. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy. So with everything tallied up, everything inside this box came out to $207. $207. With my code, you get it for $47.99. Listen, if you don't get this for yourself, which I don't know why you wouldn't, but this is the perfect holiday winter gift for somebody. Get it for your mom, get it for your aunt, get it for your sister, get it for your cousin, whoever in your family loves beauty, wellness things. You will be saving coin. You will be saving coin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another one. Bye.